So when we came here first time, we was little nervous, because we don't know what to expect. But we went to the deities, Govinda, Garud, and we feel very peaceful in our heart. And special because also the priest very nice, very good attitude to us, smile, welcome us. So after when we left actually this place, we feel in our heart that Garuda really protect us, that we feel calm in our heart, and we feel like light, like you take nice bath in your and it's such a nice and blissful experience. So after you can go to the next video when we explain much more about this place. So we are here, very beautiful place called Govinda Garud or Garud Govinda. It is the place where Garuda came himself, but he was cursed by one of the sages that he cannot enter our beautiful Vrindavan. So Vishnu himself, he appeared in front of him. So we have the deities which was established by the son of Sri Krishna 5,000 years ago. And on the left side we have Kunj, Garuda Kunj, which the snake get blessing to never be touched by Garud. So we visited this place for some purpose. Anyone who wants to be protect in his life can come to this place and pray to Garuda for help to overcome obstacles in our life. Like in astrology, if someone has, for example, it's called Kala Amrita Yoga, Kala Sarpa Yoga, special Kala Sarpa Yoga. It's like snake bite you. It's very difficult in life, and depend of the house, the person cannot find the light. So this is the place very good for someone who has some difficulties in his life to pray to Garuda to overcome our obstacles. So a few days ago we came here first time. We offered the lamps to Garuda Govind, and then we pray. And today we bring our friends also to show this beautiful place. And we had opportunity also to do seva here and to go for parikrama. So I will recommend that everyone who feel like obstacles, don't know what to do in his life, to come and pray to Garuda, because definitely he will help us in our life. Hare Krishna.